Hello, this is Kyle Michelle. I will show you my Hopper Priest Enson. Here's the logo. There's my hover. But the light works. I made a video of this hugger and the fans in the gazebo. The blades are dusty. This is the dirtiest. I got clean it. I just cleaned it last week. There's a broken brake bracket. But I showed you in the gazebo video. But it's right there. See? It's right there. And the other part somewhere. Still see this part already in the gazebo video. Here's the other one. So it looks like this. Look at that. Here's the fucking motor housing for this hugger and the center blades for it. Enson blades are hugger blades. But it's bullshit. My Enson doesn't have a damn rod. See, because that it doesn't come with the damn rod. It does wobble. Guess it's wood on it. But there's a reverse switch right there. So you can't flip it because it's broke. So there's two blades. It's a string, a pull chain. Gotta make it stop turning. There it goes. It's a blade brackets. So you can see doing motor housing to the wood. You can see doing the motor housing. See it? You can see the motor inside too. But the motor looks like a hugger motor. It looks like junk. But that has blade. That's where the broken blade goes. But this thing that's a pole, I just put it on it. But it's up and everything. But I just put it on. It's a pretending chain. So I wrote top of the blades too. I wrote on this is my fan. And this is my replacement. But it's called Elasco. You can see the motor right there. It's plastic. So it's like a kid's fan. It's 42 inches. And the fan, the top of it is just like the other fans are. There's no damn rod. It's on the wood. It goes over there where that pool is. You can see it. See, it's in the gazebo. I see more light up there, so a lot of bugs in there. So, got wasps in there too. So, see the wasps up there, so gotta be careful. So, the fan does not work because it's not wired. See, it's not wired up. So this fan has a little Hopper Priest logo I just made. I put it out like in January, like December. But this fan is like 90 years old. Pretty old, huh? But it's like a serious stand fan. Looks funky looking motor screws. But I would like the motor screws because they're a little funky only. There's the canopy, so see, it's still metal, but the blades are plastic. See, it's 42 inches. It's longer. Fans are longer than anything, but it's some of those. See, they have to do these things. So, So this thing has a little bit more. So got some duct tape on it. This is a Insta bulb. That's what I use it for the fan. Let me see my broken little light goes to this fan. It's in the shed. Oh. Yeah, I'll show you it. Yeah, this is my broken light sockets for my Hopper's Enson. It's like a 40-watt bulbs. There's a light bulb drawer, but it's in the shed. There's a box fan. Where's a gazebo? There's license plates and stuff everywhere. This is a little shed. Yeah, that's all it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.